VaultDeFi's crypto tokens are a powerful tool for generating passive income. But how do you get started? We can't cover everything in this brief video, but let's review the basic steps. First, you need a crypto wallet. There are dedicated hardware devices for this, but the simplest way to start is with a smartphone app like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Next, you need to on-ramp some traditional funds into the crypto world. You can do this through one of many exchange services to buy crypto coins. You can charge your debit card to buy one of many different cryptocurrencies. If you want to buy VaultDeFi's tokens, you'll want to start by buying BNB, also known as Binance Coin. Once you've transferred some BNB to your wallet, you can simply send it to one of VaultDeFi's swapper addresses to receive tokens in return. Once you've done that, you'll automatically start earning reflections, which are passive income payments, in your crypto wallet. Eventually, if you decide that you want to convert your crypto back into government-issued currency, you'll need to use an off-ramp. To do that, you can reverse the previous steps to send crypto to an exchange that supports withdrawals back to your bank account. You might also decide to set up one of several available crypto debit cards to be able to spend your crypto in the real world. Now you know the basics. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. VaultDeFi is glad you're here. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to see more Vault Academy videos, including many that provide more detailed step-by-step walkthroughs.